learn English. Now in the last class I have told you about the story of Taro's Reward, which is a very popular Japanese fairy tale. Okay, and today I am going to tell you or discuss about the question and answers which is already mentioned in your exercises in this story of Taro's Reward, which is already there in your CPSC book. And also today I am going to tell you the meanings and the make sentence of the story. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he was thirsty. Moreover, he had never heard the sound of rushing water in that area of the forest. Number 2. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking sake? Answer. Taro's father was very much delighted after having the sake. He took a sip which stopped his shivering. He began to dance in the middle of the floor. Number 3. Why did waterfall give Taro sake and others water? The answer is the waterfall gave Taro sake because he was a thoughtful son who looked after his parents with full dedication. This was a gift for his greatness from God. The villagers received only water because they were greedy. Question 4. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? The villagers went near the waterfall to collect the sake. They carried big vessels with them so that they could carry as much as sake with them. But they got only plain water. They thought Taro had tricked them. They became very much angry, so they wanted to drown Taro. Now there is question number B, where you have to mark the right item. 1. Taro earned very little money because the option will be 3. The price of wood was very low. Number 2. Taro decided to earn extra money. The correct answer will be option number 2, to buy his old father some sake. Number 3. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she wanted to tell the whole villagers about the waterfall. This will be option number 3. Now strike out the words in the box below that are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was thoughtful, hardworking, loving, considerate, and kind. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to Taro's inability to buy expensive sake for his father. This will be option number 3. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. This refers to the option will be, the correct option will be number 2, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Now question number C. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhymes. Already 2 is given over here, like young, lung, money, sunny. So the other rhyming words will be sad, bad, chop, stop, last, fast, wax, axe, good, wood, sound, round, way, day. Now exercise D. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. A young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a thoughtful son who worked hard but earned little money. One day he saw a beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it delicious. Now exercise 2. Find the sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. Number 1. This made Taro dash than ever. The answer is sadder. Number 2. He decided to work dash than before. The answer is harder. Number 3. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed than usual. The answer is earlier. Number 4. He began to chop even dash. The answer is faster. Number 5. Next morning, Taro started for work even dash than the morning before. The answer is earlier. Now we will discuss the make sentence of this story. Make sentence. Reward. After hearing the beautiful singing, the teacher gave her a book as a reward. Delighted. The poor beggar was delighted after having the warm blanket. Swallow. The old man tried to swallow the medicine with the help of water. Chopped. To make this special dish, I need to chop up the vegetables. Whistled. The sport was over after the referee whistled. Delicious. My mother made a delicious cake for me on my birthday. Intended. The movie is intended to give a good message to the audience. Sip. She took a sip of that tasty drink. Shivering. The girl is shivering in fever. Tricked. The person tricked him and took all his money. Thoughtful. After hearing the tragic story, she looked at me with a thoughtful expression. Now we'll be discussing the short question and answers of the story. Let's start. Short questions from Taro's reward. Who was Taro? The answer is Taro was a poor young woodcutter. Question number 2. What does Taro do to earn his living? The answer is, as Taro was a woodcutter, he earned his living by chopping woods in the forest. Question 3. What did Taro's father wish to have? The answer is, Taro's father wished to have sake for himself to keep him warm. Question 4. What was the plan of Taro to arrange sake for his father? The answer is, Taro decided to work harder to arrange sake for his father. Question 5. Why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? The answer is, Taro ran in the direction of the stream to quench his thirst as he was thirsty. Question 6. How did Taro's father reacted after having the sake? The answer is, Taro's father was delighted and began to dance in the middle of the floor. Question 7. How did the villagers got to know about the source of sake? The answer is, a neighbor who visited Taro's house got to know the story of sake. From her, this spread to the whole village. Question 8. Why did Taro hide himself? Taro hid to save himself from the villagers. Question 9. Why did the emperor reward Taro? The answer is, the emperor rewarded Taro for his thoughtfulness and kindness to his parents. So today we have discussed the question and answers of Taro's reward and also the extra short questions and meanings of it. And secondly, if you have any kind of confusion, please do tell me in the comment box section. I am always there to answer. And you all need to read the story thoroughly, prepare well for this story. And as of now, ending my class. Meet you in the next class soon. As of now, bye-bye.